Hello my dear students, today we will learn about digital documentation and we will be completing two sections of this topic. First is applying styles and second one is adding graphics. Now let's know what do you mean by styles. Styles is a predefined combination of various formatting features like font style, color and size that is applied to the selected text in a document to quickly change its appearance. In simple words, if we want to say, then a style is a collective formatting which includes font style, font size, font color or any other effect which you have applied on a specific text, and the same combination of that formatting you want to apply to another text. Fine. So that is a style, that's a predefined combination of different formatting features. We have different style categories. First is paragraph, means those styles which can be applied to specific paragraphs. Second one is characters, those styles which can be applied to characters, means a small sentence, a particular word. Next is table, means those styles which can be applied to specific table. Then list, styles specifically for list only, right? So these are the different types of styles. First of all, let's know how to apply styles. Writer provides various predefined styles to apply on the text in a document. There are two methods to apply styles on the selected text, means there are many predefined styles there in a writer, and we will learn to apply styles by two methods. First is through menu bar, another one is through the toolbar. First of all, the styles to be applied with menu bar. Apart from the style available in the style gallery, writer provides another method to apply styles from the format menu. Now first of all, let's open the writer. Here I am opening OpenOffice Writer. Okay, I have clicked on that. Let me minimize it or make it little smaller. Now using the menu bar, first of all we are applying the styles using menu. Here first of all let's type something. I am typing hello, how are you? Okay, after that I will select the text on which I want to apply the style, right? I have selected, then go to the format menu. Here you can see styles and formatting. Click on this. There you can see so many effects are there. Whichever you just click on that, double click on that specific style, the effect will appear on your text. Double click on the style, the effect will appear, right? I think it's clear now. Every name here, that is a style. Got it? This is how the different styles can be applied, right? Next is applying styles from the toolbar. Right now we have learnt to apply styles from the menu bar. Now how we can apply through the toolbar? We can apply built-in styles from the formatting toolbar also. It's floating and dockable pane. Floating and dockable means in the toolbar they are, which can be removed and can be added. Okay, this is the selected text we have taken, and here you can see different styles are given. From here we can take styles, or this is the button you can see, right? This is the standard formatting toolbar, right? Click, this is styles and formatting tool. Click on this and the same text, same dialog box will appear. Click on this, means where on any of the effect you can click and the same style is applied, right? This is how we can apply different styles using the menu bar as well as toolbar, right? After that, creating a new style. We have applied the built-in styles. अभी हमने जो बने बनाए रेडीमेड स्टाइल्स थे which were available to us, those we have learned through menu bar or through the toolbar, but we can also create our own new style. Fine. How we can do that? Let's learn. Here I have again opened. Here you can see the style and formatting box opens, right? And here just click here, this is the button of new style from selection. Click on this. You can name the style which you want to create. I want to name my style as DABPPS and click on OK. The style is created, but right now we have not decided any of the formatting here, right? Then how? Just right click and modify. Okay. From here you can select the different styles, different types of font, styles, whatever you want. Suppose here I am taking the different style, size, I have taken this font style, this typeface, size. Now the font effects, let's take it. Font color I am taking this purple color, and different effects are there. Whatever you want that you can take. Okay, different other effects are also there. Whatever you want that can be taken. This shadow effect, suppose I want to do this only. Okay, click on OK. The effect is here. This is the DABPPS. Okay. Double click on any other effect, that will be applied, and then double click on your style, that will be applied, right? This is how we can create a new style with our choice. Got it? Then next is how to modify and update a style. Means we can update or we can make changes in already created style, or the style which we have created, we can also make changes in that. How that can be done? Let's see. Right now I have also shown you that I have created DABPPS. Click on styles and formatting. This style I have created. I have right clicked on modify. Then I have applied all the effects. Fine. Suppose I want to make change. So first of all, let's select the text. This style. This is that style. Okay. I want to modify it. Right click on it and modify. The same window will appear here. Whatever the style you want, whatever the effects you want, that can be taken from here. Different font styles can be taken, or any other style which you want. Okay, side style, whatever is there, click on OK. After selecting everything, click on OK. The same style, now we have changed heading 2. Okay, वापस heading 1 करती हूँ, right? Now again heading 2, you can see it is updated, it is modified. Fine. This is how we can update or we can modify the already existing. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो हमने बनाया we can modify only that. We can modify the other already existing effects also, styles also, right? Next is importing a style from another document. Means what it means? We can also apply a style created in a document and want to apply the same style in another one. Means एक document में हमने style बनाया और document 2 में we want to import from document 1. Fine. In order to apply the same styles to two different documents, we need to import them. Obviously document number 1 में बनाया, document 2 में लाना है, तो we have to import from document 1 to document 2. This process includes the following steps. कौन कौन से steps हैं? Number 1, creating new style in a document. सबसे पहले style बनाएंगे. अभी हमने बनाया एक DABPPS, हम उसी को let करते हैं. Fine. Then importing styles to another document and applying the style. Now let's see. 3 स्टेप करते हैं. सबसे पहली चीज़ क्या है? टू क्रिएट अ स्टाइल. हमने ऑलरेडी DABPPS एक स्टाइल बनाना सीख लिया. फाइन, इसको लेट्स सेव दिस डॉक्यूमेंट with on desktop I am saving it with doc1, right? doc1 सेव कर दिया and I am closing it. Fine, close कर दिया मैंने. Now I am opening again writer window, open office writer. Fine, it's opened. चलिए, here I am typing a text. वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स. फाइन, इस टेक्स्ट पे मैंने वही इफेक्ट लेना है विच आई हैव क्रिएटेड विद नेम DABPPS इन doc1. कैसे? चलिए लेट्स मूव टू द सेम. या तो आप यहाँ से जाएंगे स्टाइल्स एंड फॉर्मेटिंग, और यू कैन ऑल्सो मूव फ्रॉम फॉर्मेट स्टाइल्स एंड फॉर्मेटिंग. बोथ विल शो यू द सेम डायलॉग बॉक्स. डन. नाउ फ्रॉम हेयर क्लिक ऑन दिस एरो. हेयर यू विल सी लोड स्टाइल्स. क्लिक किया मैंने. हेयर यू विल सी दिस फ्रॉम फाइल, राइट? इट इज वेरी मच क्लियर कि वी हैव क्रिएटेड दैट स्टाइल इन अ फाइल विच वी हैव सेव्ड ऑन डेस्कटॉप, राइट? क्लिक ऑन फ्रॉम फाइल, देन गो टू द डेस्टिनेशन, गो टू द लोकेशन वेयर यू हैव सेव्ड द फाइल. हमने डेस्कटॉप में सेव की थी एंड द नेम ऑफ आवर फाइल इज doc1. क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड क्लिक ऑन ओपन. डन. Now this style you can see that is imported. Step 1 क्या था? स्टाइल बनाना, हमने वो कर लिया. Step 2 क्या था? import करना, we have imported. Step number 3 is apply the style. Apply ये वाला है, तो double click on this style. This is we have applied, right? तो importing a style from one document to another includes 3 steps. Number 1, एक document में create your own style. फाइन, कोई स्टाइल बनाया. देन स्टेप नंबर 2, इम्पोर्ट दैट स्टाइल इन अनदर फाइल. हमने इम्पोर्ट कर लिया था. एंड लास्ट स्टेप इज अप्लाई दैट स्टाइल. बाय डबल क्लिकिंग ऑन सेम स्टाइल वी हैव अप्लाइड द स्टाइल. आई थिंक इट्स क्लियर. चलिए, नेक्स्ट इज चेंजिंग स्टाइल्स इन वर्ड. सपोज राइट नाउ तो वी आर वर्किंग इन ओपन ऑफिस राइटर, बट इफ वी आर वर्किंग इन वर्ड, then rest everything what we have learnt till now that is same. Only these three topics, three options are added on in MS Word. Let's know it what it is. The styles applied in a document can be changed by using the change style. There on the formatting toolbar you will get a button, you will get an option with change style button, and that change style will show you these 3 options. First is style set. It's a combination of title, heading and paragraph. Means different combinations of different styles are there. They will be shown. Just click on the style which you want. Then second option will be shown to you, colors. It will show you the different color combination themes. Light colors, dark colors, bright colors, like various color themes will be visible to you. Just click on the theme which you like, that will be applied to your document. Next one is font. Means built-in themes, fonts will be visible. जो भी theme आपको अच्छी लगे, just click on that. And last one is paragraph spacing. The spacing of paragraphs for whole document can be set in just one click by clicking on that paragraph spacing option. These 4 options will be visible under the change style option in MS Word. Rest everything is same in Writer and Word. Now, one topic we have covered, that is working with styles. Fine, applying styles in a document. Now, next topic we are starting, that is adding graphics in a document. Graphics means any shape, any image, any diagram. That is coming under the category of graphics. Fine. So here images can be inserted by, there are different methods. अलग-अलग methods हैं. Inserting an image from file, from click art, from scanned images, using drag and drop method, and from the clipboard. We will be learning one by one every. Okay. First of all, let's learn inserting an image from a file. Means Suppose we have already an image saved on the desktop, means that's a file obviously. So if we want to insert that in our document, so how we can do that? Okay, and those can be imported with various extensions, GIF, JPG, PNG, BMP. For with any of the format we can insert them. I have again opened the document, fine, and now I want to insert the image from a file. For that, click on insert menu, here click on picture and then click on from file, right. It will take you to this insert picture window, and from here click on the location where your images are saved. Suppose my one of the image is saved on desktop, fine, this untitled name, this image is saved at desktop. Click on this and click on open. The same picture will be inserted. I think we got it, how to insert. Click on insert, go to picture, then from file, then choose your picture which you want to insert, right. Next is inserting an image from clip art or gallery. How we can insert a picture or an image from the clip art or gallery. Clip art or gallery, it's an option which you can say that's a collection of pictures or images available in the gallery of your document, which is already inbuilt, fine. How we can insert that? Now this you can see, this is the window of writer. I am making this portion little smaller. Hanji. Now you can see this toolbar here. For inserting images from the gallery, here you can see this third button, third tool, gallery. Click on this, right, and now here various themes are there, like images related to finance, related to environment, and related images will be shown here at the bottom. Okay, whatever the image, suppose I want to insert this image, click on this and insert and copy, right. चलिए मैं इसको डिलीट कर रही हूँ. नाउ सपोज मुझे ये इंसर्ट करने, एक मेथड मैंने बताया, दूसरा मेथड क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड ड्रैग इट हियर एंड लीव, द इमेज विल बी इंसर्टेड. टू मेथड्स, राइट. फर्स्ट मेथड राइट क्लिक, insert, copy, got it. And another method is click on it and drag it to your document. This is how the image can be inserted from the clip art, got it. Next is inserting an image from scanner. I think we all know what is a scanner. That's an input device through which any of the image can be scanned and same image will be available as a digital copy, fine. So if a scanner is connected to your computer, then obviously any of the image which is scanned through your scanner, that can be inserted in your document. Let's learn how that can be inserted. Right now I have not any of the scanner installed in my system, so I'll be telling you only the method. Okay, go to the insert menu, then same picture option. पहले हम from file पे गए थे when we want to take any of the image from a file, but now I want to take from the scanner. Okay, then click on scan and select source. Means when you click on this here, if the scanners are installed in your system, then name of scanner will appear here, right. जो भी scanner आपका होगा, you will click on that and you will click on select option, fine. And after clicking on select, उस स्कैनर से जितनी भी इमेज स्कैन की होंगी, all the images will appear in front of you. Just click and insert the image. That's how we can insert the image from the scanner. Now inserting an image using the drag and drop. Drag and drop means with the mouse. Fine. Drag and drop refers to selecting an image from a particular location and dragging and dropping it in the document wherever required. Means कहीं पर हमारी इमेज पड़ी है and we want to drag and drop. Drag means with the mouse you will drag and drop at the location where you want it. चलिए, suppose I am opening a folder. On the desktop my image is there which is named as untitled. Suppose this is the image. Okay, JPG image है. This is the image and this is my document where I want to drop it. We will drag it from here, drop it here. Drag कैसे करना है? Just click with your mouse. Don't leave the mouse button. Drag it. I am still pressing my mouse button. Now I want to leave my image here. Now leave your mouse button. You can see the image is here. मैं delete करके आपको दोबारा दिखा रही हूँ. Okay, image को मैं delete कर रही हूँ. This is my image. Click on this. Don't leave the mouse button. I am taking it from here to here. This is dragging. What I am doing? Dragging. और अब मैं यहाँ mouse का बटन छोड़ देती हूँ. This is dropping. You will see that here image is inserted. Right? This is how we can insert an image using drag and drop method. Right? Now inserting an image from the clipboard. अब clipboard क्या होता है? एक नया वर्ड आया है. Clipboard is a location where any cut image or any copied image, जो भी हम cut या copy करते हैं सामान, that will remain there. कहाँ पर? In the clipboard until we paste that matter somewhere else. Fine? कोई भी इमेज, कोई भी फाइल, कोई भी टेक्स्ट, when we copy that or we cut that, until we use that objects, that material somewhere else, जहाँ पर भी वो रहेगा आपका सामान, wherever that matter, cut material or copied material, wherever that will be kept, that place is called clipboard. Fine? So we may want to insert an image in your document from any other previously created document. कैसे देखते हैं? It's our document. Let's delete it. मैंने इमेज दोनों ही डिलीट कर दिए. Got it? Now again I am opening my desktop folder and here this is my image. Okay, I'll just right click on it. कहीं पर भी आपकी इमेज हो, with any of the image, the same process will be there. Right click on your image and copy. Copy किया मैंने. I'll minimize it. Now it's my document. Copy कर लिया, but right now that is not in my document. कहाँ पर है भाई वो फाइल? That file is saved in the clipboard. कहाँ पर है? In the clipboard. Clipboard से यहाँ लाने के लिए what you will do? From the edit menu we can click on paste, or second method is right click and click on paste. Now that file is pasted here from the clipboard. Fine? कुछ और नहीं है, इसको हम ये पढ़ रहे हैं ना, इंसर्टिंग एन इमेज फ्रॉम क्लिपबोर्ड. इट्स नथिंग, सिर्फ आपका कट कॉपी पेस्ट वाला जो मेथड है दैट इज काउंटेड हेयर. राइट? नेक्स्ट इज मॉडिफाइंग इमेजेस. मॉडिफाइंग इमेजेस मीन्स making changes in the images. We can modify the image using options available in the format menu. Format menu में बहुत सारे options available हैं regarding modifying the images. Let's learn them one by one. We can modify the images through resizing, rotating, cropping, or last one is deleting. Right? अब कैसे? One by one let's do it. Resizing an image. Again we are back here. Resize करना है मैंने. What to do? Here, whenever you click on any of the image, these small rectangular boxes will appear. When we take your mouse pointer on these boxes, these will convert into the arrow. और फिर आप इस पे क्लिक करें माउस से and make it smaller, or we can make it larger. बड़ा छोटा as per your need. Fine, you can see we can make it larger, we can make it smaller. Got it? This is how we can resize our image. Next one is how you can rotate an image. In Word, suppose in MS Word we will be working. For rotating, here on the toolbar you will get a tool for rotating. सिर्फ rotate tool पे click करना है and it will be rotated. But in OpenOffice, what you have to do to rotate a rotate an image, first of all, let's cut it. Cut कर दी हमने image. Now go to file, go to new and here you will see drawing. क्या दिख रहा है? Drawing. Drawing पे गए and here you will paste. Right? I have pasted. You can see the image is pasted here. Right? And after pasting, what can be done when we click on this image again? Right? मैंने दूसरी बार क्लिक किया, देखो पहली बार क्लिक किया, these boxes are there. When you second time click on it, these rows will be done. Okay? And when you take your mouse pointer at the corners, corner में जो circles हैं, then click with the mouse, hold your mouse button और अगर आपने ऐसे rotate करना है, ऐसे कर लो, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Suppose I want to do it like this. ऐसे करना है बस मुझे. Done. Rotation is done. Now what we'll do? Cut it from here. यहाँ का काम हो गया ना मेरा. Cut. इसको close कर दिया. Now here I want to paste my image. Right click and paste. होगी rotate. Done. OpenOffice Writer में the things are slightly different. This is how we can rotate the image. Second one is how you can crop an image. Crop means साइडों में से कट करना कुछ portion. Now next is cropping the image. For cropping the image, let's insert this image. I have inserted it. Right click on this and here you will get picture option. Click on picture. Here you will see many tabs. Click on crop tab. Right? In the crop tab, here you will see the options to cut your image, to crop your image from all four directions, left, right, top, bottom. जितना भी आपने crop करना है, that portion you can mention from here and you will be able to see here also. Like मुझे इतना इतना करना है suppose, right? Done. मुझे इतना ही करना है. Then if it's okay here, then click on OK. The image is here. This is how we can crop the image in OpenOffice Writer. Next is deleting an image. How you can delete? For deleting, just click on your image and press delete button from the keyboard. Simple. This is how various modifications can be done in images. Next is more modifications in an image. How the more modifications can be done? Let's see. Again I am moving to Writer. Let's insert the image again. I have inserted. Here when you click on the image, then you will be able to see different tools related to picture, right? Like here the borders of the image can be done. The length of the border of the image, you can see the changes. The background of the image, fine. And from here various effects can be taken. See here the changes. This is the solarization, the percentage you can increase or decrease, right? This is the different methods. Same the pixels or that can be increased or decreased, right? Here the picture can be seen in grayscale, you can see. Picture can be seen in black and white only. Got it? These are the different modifications to be done with the pictures. Fine. Whatever the tools available on the picture toolbar or you can say drawing toolbar, those all can be maintained here. Fine. Done. Next is drawing objects in a document. अभी तक हम we were inserting the pictures from the file, from the gallery or other options were there but images. But now we will learn how to draw the objects or shapes in Word or in Writer also. The shapes in the drawing features that helps you to draw different objects. With the help of these shapes, we can draw attention and provide impacts to your image. How? Let's see. I have opened Writer. Let's delete this image. I have deleted. Now I want to draw an object or shape. How? At the bottom, or you can say at the above of status bar, you can see this toolbar. If this toolbar is not visible in your window, then what you can do, go to view menu and then toolbar option. Here you will see the drawing. Just tick here and the drawing toolbar will be visible in your window, right? And if we want to draw any of the image, look here, so many options are available. This one, different faces, different arrows, right, different colors, different stars, any option which you like, just click on that option. Suppose this is smiley I want, click on that, your mouse pointer will change to plus sign, click and drag, जितना बड़ा छोटा आपने करना है करके and leave it. This is how the image, the objects and the shapes that can be drawn. Any of the object, any of the shape from here, this toolbar can be taken, right? Next is changing the properties of the drawing toolbar. How? Properties means changing the border of the shape, changing the color of the shape, all those things, how that can be done. Let's see. First of all, click on the shape or the object which you have drawn, right? Let's see, let's draw it again. This shape I have drawn, right? When you click on the shape, you will see again the drawing toolbar. Okay, here you will see. I have to open it again, something wrong happened. Here I am drawing again, right? And from the toolbar, click on the borderline which you like. Fine. Then the width of the borderline, कितनी बड़ी कितनी छोटी, fine, कितनी width आपको चाहिए for your border. Here the color of your border, suppose I want orange, you can see the changes here. Then color fill, there are different single color if you want, then from here you can select single color. If you want gradient, means different combinations of colors are created, that you can take from here. Then hatching, if you want different sketch styles, that you can take. Any bitmap format you want, that you can take from here. Whatever you like, that can be taken from here, right? This is how the changes in the properties of the drawn object, right? Just draw your object, click on your object and the tools will be available on the toolbar. Just use them and make the changes. Got it? Next is grouping drawing objects. अब grouping का मतलब ही समझना पड़ेगा. It is often convenient to group shapes together so that they can be treated as single object. A group of objects can be formatted in a way similar to an individual object. Grouping means नाम से clear है, group बनाना. किसका? Of the drawing objects. Means when more than one or two shapes they are grouped. Means दो image का एक बनाना. कैसे? First of all we have to see, then we will be more able to understand. Let's delete it. लेट मी ड्रॉ अ शेप. मैं ये सर्कल ड्रॉ किया मैंने, देन आई हैव ड्रॉन दिस रेक्टेंगल, राइट. चलिए, नाउ सपोज आई वॉन्ट टू मेक दिस टू फिगर्स स्मॉलर, राइट. तो पहले मैं इसको छोटा करूँगी, फिर मैं इसको छोटा करूँगी. अगर मुझे बड़ा करना है, पहले इसको बड़ा करूँगी, फिर इसे बड़ा करूँगी. इन द सेम वे मीन्स ट्वाइस आई हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग. और कलेक्टिवली सपोज मुझे इतना ही डिस्टेंस रखना है इनमें, बड़ा छोटा हो तब भी द सेम रेशियो शुड बी देयर. देन मीन्स वर्किंग एट सिंगल टाइम ऑन मोर देन वन टेबल, हाउ दे कैन बी ग्रुप्ड. तो इसलिए टू डू दैट, हमारे काम को कम करने के लिए व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, we have to group the images. Suppose right now I have two images. You have to select both. How? First of all, click on the first image. कर दिया मैंने. Now press shift button from your keyboard. Shift मैंने press कर दिया है. Now click on the second image. Done. Second पे click करते you can see both are collectively selected. Now right click on this. इसी के अंदर जो ये बॉक्सेस दिख रहे हैं, इन्हीं के अंदर कहीं भी आप क्लिक करें, राइट क्लिक करें, एंड देन गो टू द ग्रुप, अगेन ग्रुप. नाउ यू कैन सी, आई एम क्लिकिंग समवेयर एल्स, यू कैन सी कहीं भी आप क्लिक करें, दिस होल, these two figures have become one figure. Now अगर मैं if I want only to select this diagram, this square, I'll click on it, you can see the collectively both are selected. If I'll make smaller, both are made smaller. If I want to make larger, both will be made larger. I think it's clear. This is called grouping. And if we want to make them separate, means group को तोड़ना है, right click, group, ungroup, बिल्कुल उल्टा, fine, and click here. Now you can see ये अलग पिक्चर है, ये अलग पिक्चर है. गॉट इट. दिस इज ग्रुपिंग और अनग्रुपिंग ऑफ ड्रॉइंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स. व्हेन वी वांट टू वर्क विद मोर देन वन इमेज इन वन एफर्ट, देन ग्रुपिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड. नाउ पोजिशनिंग इमेजेस इन द टेक्स्ट मीन्स इफ वी आर वर्किंग विद इमेजेस along with the text, then what we need to do, means it becomes sometimes very difficult if we don't have knowledge of how to work with images. We need to set the position of an image with respect to the text and other images while inserting it in text document. The placement of graphics in an important aspect in a document. For positioning the images in the text, there are three methods: wrapping, arranging and aligning. Means जब आप टेक्स्ट और इमेज दोनों के साथ इकट्ठा काम कर रहे हैं ना, at that time it becomes difficult to manage the images as well as your text. Fine. तो कैसे काम करना है? Suppose I am just randomly typing something. Okay, randomly I am typing. Typing is done. Then I want to handle these two images, और suppose एक ही इमेज है, एक को डिलीट कर रही हूँ मैं, only this image. Then first is wrapping text. Now what is it? It means surrounding an image or a drawing object within the text. Means text के चारों तरफ, image के चारों तरफ we can occupy the place for the text. Right now you can see in between the image is there and at every side the text is there. This is already the wrapping. फिर भी करते कैसे हैं? Click on the image, right click and here you will see wrap. Fine. In wrap there are various options. First is page wrap. Already the page wrap option is there. Means in between the page the image will be there and at all sides the text will be spreaded. Then optimal page wrap, you can see at one side the image will be there and rest text will be taken. Then wrap through means image के कहीं भी not even a single space will be wasted, at everywhere the text will be there and image will be at the above of text. Then in the background means the image is set at the back of the text, right? This is how we can change the wrapping of the text around the image. Next one is arranging images. Arrange, नाम से clear है. While working with multiple drawing objects, it may happen that one shape overlaps the other. With the arrange option, we can solve out that. Fine? कैसे? Suppose ये मैं wrap through कर दूँ पहले इसको. Fine? Now, right click on this and here you can see arrange. Arrange में you will see, suppose I have 2, 3, 4 images here. Then एक के ऊपर एक आ गई. Like here text के ऊपर मेरी image है. I want to send it to back. Text के पीछे जाए तो send backward. Just click on this and that will be done. How? चलो एक image और draw करते हैं हम. I am taking this smiley. Okay, this smiley. एक और draw करते हैं. This college. Star लिया हमने. Right now we have 3 images. Suppose I want to send this star at the back. Right click, arrange, send backward. You can see back में गया. Fine. Suppose I want to bring this image, जो पीछे सर्कल बनाया था हमने, उसको हमने आगे लाना है. Right click, arrange, bring to front. नाम से clear है. आगे लाना, bring forward और आगे लाना, send back पीछे भेजना, bring to front. You can see the images at the front. This is how we can handle multiple images with the help of arranging option. Next is aligning images. Align means placement of image. Right, left, top, center, all that is coming under the align images. We can align images and objects horizontally as well as vertically. How? Let's see. Suppose this image I want to align. Here you can see alignment option. Chalo, let's first of all delete the other one. Right. I have to insert one of the image. Let me take it from the desktop. वही same image हम ले रहे हैं. इसको थोड़ा सा छोटा किया मैंने. I am wrapping it through. Now right click and alignment. You can see left. If we want to set it at the left, you can see it has settled at the left. Again centered. Click on center, the image comes automatically at center. Right, you can see this is how the aligning means placing of your image, placement of your image. The images can be handled using this aligning option. That's it for now. Thank you. But you have to learn the options, the tabs, the menus, by clicking on which we can do all the things which we have done till now, that can be asked in your exam. Take care.